So our thinking portion of the lesson looks at combinations of triangles. So the video you just watched of the cable car, it's going to be kind of our focus for this question coming up. So in this question, we're going to go a little bit more into a complexity. We are going to have, instead of just one triangle, we're going to have two triangles. So we have this cable car and we've got a mountain. So I'm going to just draw the mountain out first. So we've got a mountain and then a mountain like this, okay? The cable car, it actually begins down here on this side of the mountain and it travels all the way to the top of the mountain. And that travel is, it goes up 2,336 meters up. So it elevates 2,336 meters to the peak of this triangle, which is 1,000 meters. Okay, so the height of this triangle is 1,000 meters. Once it reaches the top, it starts to decline and go down, and this decline is less high. It's only 1,414 meters. Now, if you don't want to go over the mountain on the cable car, you can actually drive underneath the mountain on a tunnel. So for this question, we need to know that there is a tunnel that runs under the mountain. And we need to know how long that tunnel is. So in this case, when we're dealing with a question like this, we need to actually break it down. And you can see that we have two different triangles. So we have to actually approach the incline and the decline totally separately. And then we're going to add those ideas together. So let's do that right now. So let's focus on the incline first. So what I'm going to do, just for my own sake, is I'm going to redraw the incline triangle and measure it out. So we know that the height of the incline triangle is 1,000. So that's the vertical. And we know that the hypotenuse is 2,336. So we are looking for this amount right here. So I'm going to write my beautiful, I'm going to do it in blue actually, because just to change it up a little bit. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We know that c squared is 2,336 squared. We know that a squared is 1,000 squared, and b squared, we still don't know. So let's flush out the math. Now we're going to deal with some big numbers here. So 1,000 squared is 1 million plus b squared, and 2236, my bad, 2236, oh my goodness, I wrote it everywhere, sorry. 2236 squared is 4,999,696, okay? So let's quickly, we're gonna take this over to the other side, and for the sake of doing a lot of big number writing, we're just gonna write whatever's left. So 4,999,696 minus 1 million is 399,696. So we know that b squared is this number. So we have b equals the square root of that. Oh my goodness, I just said I didn't want to do as much writing, but we get in the end, b equals, it's like 1,999, my goodness, 0.92. But for the fact of this, we're going to just say 2,000 meters, okay? That's the incline. We also have to do the decline, right? We have to look at how much is that decline. So let's do that decline right now. So the decline, let's move this camera over. The decline, let's draw it out. We have, again, that same 1,000 meters, but this time we are dealing with 1414 as our decline amount. That's not on the screen, I apologize. So let's put in our numbers. Let's do this quick. A squared plus B squared equals, not plus C squared yet, equals C squared. We know that it's 1,000 squared plus B squared equals 1414 squared. We'll just do this quickly. We know this is 1,000,000 plus B squared. And we know the 1414 is what did I do here? Oh my goodness. We know that 1414 is 1,999,369. Oh, or 360, sorry. Okay. We'll do again, quick math. 1,999,360 minus 1,000,000 is just 999,360. We're going to square root that number to get rid of the square on the other side. And we're given the number, which is 999.60, or in this, for our sake, we're going to do 1,000 meters. So now that we've done both the incline and the decline, what we have to do is we have to now add those two together. So if the incline, if this amount is 2,000 meters, and this amount right here is 1,000 meters, then the entire tunnel itself is 3,000 meters. Okay, so that's an example of a thinking question that you might see where you actually have to look at breaking the question down into two different parts. So again, we did the incline as one part, and we did the decline as the other part, and then we added them all together. Okay, so that's pretty much the lesson for today. I have an extra video at the bottom just to kind of, explain a little bit further if you need some extra support. There is an exit card and a little bit of homework that I'd like you to do. But tomorrow we're going to be dealing with more 3D shapes and looking at how Pythagorean theorem can reflect the 3D shapes. So thank you again for listening today, guys. I miss you. I hope you're all doing well. If you have any questions, we're going to meet on the Google Meet, and we will chat again soon. Bye.